Good morning, dear students. Today we will start determinants. Fine. It's a determinants and matrices. Matrices will take in next lecture, but we'll today onwards we'll start with determinants. This topic is very simple. Determinants and matrices both. In this topic, there we will try to use maximum टाइम इन द प्रॉब्लम्स शॉर्टकट फाइन सो आज के इस लेक्चर के अंदर आप ध्यान से देखना मैं 95% ऑफ क्वेश्चन में वी विल ट्राई टू यूज शॉर्टकट्स सी देर आर टॉपिक्स इन मैथमेटिक्स वी कैनॉट यूज शॉर्टकट्स बिकॉज those are formula based but a couple of topics is there in mathematics where we 100% we would like to use a shortcut fine so in determinants and matrices we definitely use the shortcut. So मैं बारी बारी से shortcut के types को discuss करते हुए आगे बढ़ाऊंगा ठीक है. So let's start with determinant topic. See determinants or determinant fine. Determinant basically it came from matrix fine. So matrix in all of you know about matrix. It's a rectangular array of numbers. It can be like 2 cross 2 also correct 1 2 3 this 3 cross 1 also 3 rows and 1 column see this is rows and this is column so these are matrix that we will discuss the types and all these in matrix area 2 cross 2 so determinant is a square matrix what is determinant is known as to square matrix means where the order is same row and column. So let's say A if I have written and it is represented by this way and matrix is inside in a rectangular array like this way or sometime like this fine but determinant we keep the numbers inside this line correct so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so this is 3 cross 3 determinants so determinant is a square matrix and it has value but matrix is it has no value matrix only an arrangement of numbers but determinant is an arrangement of numbers as well as we can expand the determinant also fine determinant has value determinant can be expandable fine so in that finally what is the conclusion what is determinant should be a square matrix let's say determinant A 2 1 3 4 so it's a 2 cross 2 so this way it should be a square matrix so determinant should be the order should be same determinant never be like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 this is not a determinant because it is not a square matrix clear now we came to know determinant is an arrangement of numbers and it is a square matrix and it has value means determinant we can expand now first we will come to know how to expand the determinant of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 determinants look at this I believe all of you know these expansion of determinants let's say I have 2 cross 2 order determinant A B C D so we expand this way cross multiplication AD minus BC that's it for 2 cross 2 AD always start from left like this and then this in between there is a minus right now if we have 3 cross 3 order determinant 3 cross 3 order determinant how we expand we can expand determinant from any row or any column I can expand this way also from this column also from this row also fine so generally we go with first row or first column fine we have sign symbol of determinants also this way it goes plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus correct so from wherever you will expand from if you want to expand from this row so you have to keep the sign convention in your mind so plus 2 it will start then minus then plus fine so 99% of the cases we always expand from first row fine so how we expand 1 this is plus so 1 I took in now you close this column and it's row Fine. And start multiplying this 2 cross 2. 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 1, 1. Fine. Then we put sign minus, minus, and this is 1, so 1 it is. Now we go to, again you close this column and row and multiply from left to right. So 3 into 1 and 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 and plus 2. So close this column, close this row, and 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. That is 3 minus 2. So this is going to be 0, this is minus 1, and this is plus 2, which is going to be 1. Fine. So I believe all of you know how to expand the determinant. Sign convention also all of you aware, correct? So how we expand? Suppose from first row I am expanding, close this row, column and row, multiply, take 1, this first element here, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1, correct? Then plus minus 1, then close this column, close this row, 3 into 1 minus 2, and finally 2, and this 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. So this way we can expand the determinant. Yeah. Suppose you have expanded from first row, no need to expand again from 1, 3, 2 or second row. First row or a second row or a first column or a second column. Once you expand it, the value will be 5, done, correct? So this way we can expand the value of determinant. I believe all of you know how to expand the determinant, correct? And that is very, very basic in determinants. Expansion of determinant we must to know. ये आना ही आना चाहिए अपने को, ठीक है? फ्रॉम रो से या कॉलम से भी लेंगे तो आप 1 लिया तो इसको बंद किया, फिर 2 लिया, 3 लिया तो इसको बंद किया, ऐसे बंद किया, उसके रो और उसके कॉलम को बंद करके लेफ्ट टू राइट मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, ठीक है? So this is what important one, how to expand the determinant of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. See there in NDA we don't have 4 cross 4 determinant or 5 cross 5 and so on. So हमें इसके लिए worried नहीं होना है, हमें 2 cross 2 और 3 cross 3 के determinant की पता होनी चाहिए expansion, how to expand. So it is useful in your physics also. You have seen in vector also, cross product of two vectors में भी आप determinant use करते हैं. And a lot of places in mathematics we use how to expand the determinant. Now we'll come to know some properties of determinant. Properties of a determinant, say suppose we have some constant into determinant, it is given like this way. So we can write, and suppose A is a determinant of order, let's say 2 cross 2. A is a matrix or a determinant of 2 cross 2. So this what happens, k to the k it came out, and whatever the order of that determinant, that order it will come into the in power, k square into determinant A. Or what we can say like this way, it is also can be written as Ka is k to the power n of A. N is a order of determinant. Order of determinant. And it is always a square. 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4. Fine. So take an example. Let's say we have 2, 4, 6. Fine. 8, 10, 12. Then we have 14, 16, 18. So you can write, look at this. If some constant is multiplied to each term, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if you take common 2, that we will discuss in properties also. So 2, 2, 2. So 2, 1, 2 from here, 1, 2 from here, and 1, 2 from here. So we left with this. So this came 2 to the power 3, correct, of this determinant. Same way, what is the order? N came 2 to the power 3. It is 3 cross 3 determinant. Fine. So this property, constant when you take outside, that order the power it takes. If it is 2 cross 2, k square. If it is 3 cross 3 order, so power came 2 to the power 3, 3 power n, and k is which is constant, which is common to everyone. Fine. So this property is useful, this one, and is a order of the determinant. Clear here? Next we will go to the property in determinant. Suppose it is written determinant of A inverse See, A inverse you will see in matrix also. Fine. So here if it is mentioned like this way, determinant of A inverse, we can write 1 upon determinant of A. What is important? Determinant A not be equal to 0. Fine. So determinant of A inverse is 1 upon determinant A. Fine. In fact, this also can be written as determinant A to the power minus 1. So this is same as 1 upon determinant A. Clear? So these are few results that you have to keep in your mind. Determinant of, let's say, unit matrix, it is always 1. Correct? Fourth, determinant of null matrix. Null matrix or null elements are 0 are 0 straight away. Fine. See, matrix determinant basically came from matrix. So most of the time we will use matrix word, which is their value, it comes in determinant. So sometimes while simplifying or saying this, we will use matrix term. So don't get confused, because determinant basically came from matrix. Now, so these are some few property results you can say, fine, in determinants. Now we'll go to the operations on determinants, and that is also known as properties as well. Look at this. Operations on determinants, like first property, if you say, let's say 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 minus 1, correct? If you change any row or any column, adjacent, you can say adjacent row or adjacent column, this or this or this or this, so the value of determinant will be same, but negative sign you have to keep it. Let's say if you are changing this row to here 1 1 1 and 1 2 1 2 1 minus 1, what I did, I swapped, means I flipped this to there. This is, let's say, R1, R2 and R3. What I did, R2 to R1, so R1 came R2. So here minus sign will come. This is basic. I believe you know these in standard 11. Suppose in this determinant, I change this column, this to this, adjacent column. So 2 1 1 and 1 1 2, he came here, 1 1 minus 1 as it is as. So I change this column to here, this to here. So again minus you have to put. The value will be same, but the sign will minus, it will appear. Fine. So this is what our basic property. In this property, if you change again, suppose I am changing this to this here. So again it becomes 1 1 1 as it is as this. If you are changing R3 to R2, 2 1 minus 1 1 2 1. So again minus it will have come. So initially it is minus, again this minus. So this become plus. So this will be 2 1 minus 1 1 2 1 plus. Fine. So the change in adjacent rows and adjacent column, the value of determinant will be same, but the sign comes negative. So if you are changing in a determinant 2 times adjacently, so the value will be remain same. Or you can say if you interchange all rows and column, means all rows to columns, the sign of determinant will be same. Means suppose you are changing this row and all 3 rows into columns, then the value of determinant will be remain same. There is no plus minus, plus only it will come. Fine. So this is what a basic property means, change in adjacent column or adjacent rows. Adjacent rows will make a negative sign. Now this is very important property. 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So in a determinant, if 2 rows are identical, correct, or 2 columns are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. This is very, very important. Right? 2 rows or 2 columns. It can be adjacent also, or it can be like, suppose I have written this way. So this is same, the 2 columns, but it is not adjacent. You can make adjacent here while shifting this column here, minus it will come. But at the end, the 2 columns are equal, the value is going to be 0. fine. So you can say two adjacent column are equal or two adjacent rows are equal, correct. Suppose this I have written 1 2 3 1 2 3, so two adjacent or without adjacent also the value is going to be 0, correct. So this is very important property, ये आपको याद रखना है, दो रो और दो कॉलम, ठीक है, एडजेसेंट रोज और एडजेसेंट कॉलम्स या ऐसे दो कॉलम्स एडजेसेंट नहीं भी हैं लेकिन आइडेंटिकल हैं तो वैल्यू इज 0 ऑफ दैट डिटरमिनेंट, क्लियर। प्रॉपर्टीज एक बार रिकैप मैं कर दे रहा हूं, आई बिलीव सबको पता ही है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव इन डिटरमिनेंट दैट वी हैव डिस्कस दैट कॉमन पार्ट। सो अगर मैं कॉमन की बात करूं, अगर ये डिटरमिनेंट है, फाइन, लेट्स से take an example like 2 4 6 3 8 10 12 3 6 9, fine. So you can take common from each row or each column also. Let's say from here this I can take 2 common, fine. So 1 2 3 left. Here I can take 2 again common, so again 2 I will take for second row, 4 5 6, and in third row I can take 3 common, so the 1 2 3, fine. So this common you can take from either row wise or column wise, correct. So the common will be coming outside, you can write here. Now while in this problem what it is observed, this is 12 and these two rows are identical, so the value of this determinant is 0, so the determinant the value of this determinant becomes 0. And what you came to know that you can take common from one row, second row, third row or column wise also you can take common, ठीक है। So ये प्रॉपर्टी भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव ये these three are very important one, interchanging of rows columns, two identical rows or two identical columns are 0 and the common part, common जो लेने वाली, ये दो तीन जो है बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट हैं डिटरमिनेंट्स में। Next we have let's say one determinant, it is written in this way, a1 plus 2, a1 minus 3, a1 plus 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6, ठीक है। So I can split determinant into two determinants. How it is? So a1 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 2 minus 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this way we can split the determinant. अगर ये तीनों ही माइनस होता, अगर सपोज ये तीनों ही माइनस होता तो आप माइनस यहाँ लेके अंदर सारे को प्लस भी कर लेते, ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 और ये डिटरमिनेंट ये, ठीक है। बट यहाँ पे मैंने क्या रखा था, प्लस माइनस एंड प्लस, सो दिस वे वी कैन स्प्लिट द डिटरमिनेंट। इस डिटरमिनेंट को हम स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से, ठीक है। एक डिटरमिनेंट दो डिटरमिनेंट में स्प्लिट हो सकता है, फाइन। डिटरमिनेंट का प्रोडक्ट भी होता है बट दैट इज नॉट नेसेसरी इन योर एनडीए एग्जाम, फाइन। एनडीए में हमें प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू डिटरमिनेंट्स नहीं करने हैं, हमें डिटरमिनेंट्स के प्रॉपर्टी बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम ही मैक्सिमम आते हैं, करेक्ट। सो दीज आर फ्यू प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट्स दैट वी मस्ट टू नो इन डिटरमिनेंट्स, फाइन हियर। हमें कुछ मैट्रिक्स के इंफॉर्मेशन भी शॉर्टकट यूज़ करते समय लगेगा, दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन द देयर ओनली। जब मैं वो ट्रिक स्टार्ट करूँगा वहाँ पे ही मैं मैट्रिक्स के कुछ, जिस मैट्रिक्स का इंफॉर्मेशन यूज़ होगा वो आई विल डिस्कस देयर, ठीक है। सो आई बिलीव डिटरमिनेंट के जो बेसिक रूल्स हैं और प्रॉपर्टीज, व्हाट इज डिटरमिनेंट, आई बिलीव ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है। सो फ्रॉम हियर आई विल स्टार्ट द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड आई एश्योर यू that I am going to use maximum shortcut, जो मैं maximum shortcut यूज़ करने वाला हूँ वो मैं यूज़ करूँगा, ठीक है।